Welcome to Ilmo Majlis, spreading knowledge with sincerity and truth. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear viewers, today I want to share something important with all of you about my YouTube channel. In March, I uploaded a video showing a Palestinian cat, actually an Egyptian lynx, attacking an Israeli soldier. The purpose was to highlight how Palestine is being attacked. But soon after uploading, my channel received a strike. After that, my monetization was disabled. I removed the video immediately and followed all YouTube guidelines. I waited for 3 months, but nothing changed. So now I have decided to create a backup channel for Ilmo Majlis. In case this main channel never get monetized again, we can continue our journey there. Inshallah. Thank you so much for your support. You all are my motivation to continue this work for the sake of Allah. Please support the backup channel too. Jazakallahu khaira. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.